For 2b, we're converting fractions back and forth to decimals. So in A, we're taking this fraction 11/20ths and writing it as a decimal. Two different ways to do this. Since the denominator 20 will go into 100, which is a nice, easy denominator to work with for decimals, we can do it that way. We can say, well, 11/20ths is an equivalent fraction to how many hundredths? Well, in order to get from 20 to 100, you would multiply by 5. So you do the same thing on the top, and 11 times 5 is 55. And 55 hundredths is a decimal. Think about it out loud, 55 hundredths. How would you write that? The other way you could have always done it is just to remember that this bar means to divide. So this is 11 divided by 20. So when you set up your division house, the first number makes it inside. Remember, they're running a race. It locks the door. The last number gets stuck outside. I saw a lot of your papers where these were reversed. You had 11 going into 20. Remember, the order is really, really important. Okay, so we know 20 doesn't go into 11. We need to add up a decimal and a 0. But 20 goes into 110. How many times? Well, 5 times 20 is 100. So if I subtract 110 minus 100, I'm left with 10, and I need to keep going. So I'm going to be bringing down another 0. And now 20 goes into 100 how many times? And that will be your answer there. So either way, you're going to get the same answer. For B, we just read this out loud. 0.03 is not really the mathematically correct way to say it. We would say 3 hundredths. And I'm not even going to write this down because if I do, then I've given you the answer. So you just write that as a fraction.